Hey boys, welcome back to another video. So the Feds has been hawkish and looks like interest rates remain unchanged and market is reacting already. Bitcoin is feeling it already. Nasdaq and ES they did drop yesterday but recovered during Asia, so it's going to be a very interesting day today because I think it is decision time. Do we attempt to break out, or if we don't have fuel, we might be in for a deeper pullback? So I've got some levels here for you. Let's go into the charts. So yesterday I was actually waiting for a long but decided to stay out because of the interest rate decision, and we failed to change market structure, something like that, and go higher. That would have been the money, but we didn't do that, and we had a deep flush and finally filled the gap right there. And then we're gonna right at the open we pumped basically. So we are just ranging right now, and it's looking really bearish. This could just slowly grind down, to be honest. I don't have anything right here. This could be an SFP, but then again, we do have some volume right there. I want to see how we react at this low and then in this low, but it's looking pretty bearish. Same with ES. We failed to attempt to get this high. We came down, filled the gap, and now no, we're stuck here. So there might be a short if we do something like that. You short right here, and then same with Nasdaq. There might be a short. We attempt to do something like that, then you short it right above this high. I'm not looking for longs right now because we are at premium range. Now Bitcoin, this was basically the plan that I wanted yesterday. I didn't long it though because I wanted to stay away again from Fed news. So we came down, we had a pretty nice bounce, and after bouncing, after they announced their hawkish, interest remains unchanged, we had a pretty steep drop, and now we're just ranging basically. So this was a nice plan. If you long this, congrats, but you already know, if you're trading news, make sure to have a hard stop and take profits, because we've taken some good levels and then take profit there. But yeah, I didn't trade that, and we are now coming down to support. So this is what I'm looking at, 63,500. Do we come down and bounce, go to all-time high, or do we see a rundown for all this liquidity right here and make a new low? So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. This is just a quick update. I haven't really traded much. This was my only long from this range, and then I took profits right here. I could have made so much more if I just hold, but yeah. On the brighter side though, Trump and Iran has already signed a deal, so that could be something, that could be fuel. But then again, the interest rates decision is hawkish. So yeah, oil, just like we thought, it's gonna come down after the war. So hopefully it will keep coming down. And time for BTC and gold. Let's see gold. Gold's starting to come back up too, so that's pretty nice. Yeah. For gold, we do have a lot of liquidity to grab above, and we kind of cleaned a lot here on the lows, but I still have some levels that I'm looking at. So we might come down one more time before going up, something like that. But yeah, we'll see in gold. By the way, if you want to trade gold with me, NAS and SPX, NAS 100, I'm using Bybit and Ubit on their TradeFi. It's very easy. You can just deposit your USDT and then trade the CFDs on their platform, which is really nice. I haven't taken any trades on my 100K funded account too. Waiting for a nice setup. So that's it for today. Not much to say. Thank you boys for watching. See you guys on the next one.